Welcome to Baking for Joy. In this video, we're going to be making a pear, pistachio and white chocolate loaf. You're going to need to set your oven at 170 degrees Celsius so that it can preheat while we're getting the ingredients together. And you're also going to need a loaf tin. So the dimensions of the loaf tin will be in the instructions below. This recipe also makes muffins, so check out the tips, which will give you a different baking time and how many muffins the recipe will make. This is actually a really nice, tasty recipe, well liked at morning teas. So I hope you enjoy it once you get to bake it. If you do enjoy this video, please press the like button and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So if you're ready, let's bake. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed that. Now, if you're wondering what happened to the second batch of the batter that I made, so I made obviously one with the mixer and I made one by hand. Please check out my other video because what I used that batter for was to make hazelnut and dark chocolate muffins. So please enjoy the loaf, and if you like that, then check out my other recipe, which is the hazelnut and dark chocolate muffins. Enjoy.